and welcome back to the Social Psychology Pedia YouTube channel. Today, we are going to learn about 14 female body language signs she likes you. Now, let's begin. Number 1. Prolonged eye contact. The first subtle sign that a girl is into you is that she is desperate for eye contact. Moreover, even when you look back at her, she does not look away. This is called prolonged eye contact. For eye contact to be prolonged, it should last at least 7 seconds. You know that feeling when someone is looking at you and you feel it. You don't even look in their direction at the moment, but it's like their eyes are calling your name. Well, that's exactly what's happening here. Try it as she might, this girl can't keep her eyes off of you. If she looks at you a few times, she will definitely come to you. She really wants you to know that someone is looking out for you. But what she has no control over is her eyes. Although she tries her best to hide it, you can see a little spark in her eyes every time she looks at you or even when you walk into the room. Number 2. Look over the shoulder. According to all relationship experts, women have a very specific look that they will give someone when they are interested in them. She'll raise her shoulder slightly and look back at you so you get a side profile. This is one of the body language signs that she likes you. This is a pose you're likely to see in magazines. If she looks over your shoulder at you with a smile, that's a sure sign she's into you. Why is this important to you? Well, this girl likes you, and she wants you to like her back. That's why you almost always get the famous off-the-shoulder look on her better side. If you catch her staring at you more than once, what are you waiting for? She can't keep her eyes off of you and obviously can't keep the smile off her face while she does it. Number 3. Smiling a lot. Well, simply put, it's the neurotransmitter that makes us happy. The point is that it is released when we love other times. There you have it. The answer to why this girl has a big smile on her face every time she sees you. She probably has feelings for you. Real and sincere smile is the best thing you can see. Seeing someone genuinely happy to be in your company, it is definitely one of the strongest body language signals that she likes you. But be careful, don't misinterpret her smiling at you. Maybe she's a person who smiles a lot. Check if she smiles at others as often as you do. Number 4. Physical touch. It is common for women to avoid touching people they don't like. They keep people they don't like close and out of their personal space. But if she likes you, she will take advantage of any given opportunity to touch you. This is a great sign that she is very sexually attracted to you. She'll give you a light slap on the arm if you tell a good joke, or she might put her hand on your shoulder when she sees you and asks how you're doing. Here's another positive sign you shouldn't ignore. A girl fixing your clothes or removing lint from your clothes. It's just an excuse to make some physical contact. Wake you up and check your body temperature. Does it rise when she comes near you? They are flirtatious women, and they love the game of chase more than you think. Number 5. Lips. Every woman's lips are her strongest weapon. Indeed, her smile is a trigger and her kisses are bullets. But before you get into any real action, she'll use her lips to send you some serious physical signs of attraction. Your jaw drops because a woman can use her lips, and you want to take her in your arms as soon as possible. You are helpless in these situations. A lot of women use this situation when they know that a guy is watching you move your knees with quivering lips. It's like she's giving you a little introduction to what you're in for if you two hook up. I know you wanted to kiss her, but from the moment she started teasing you with her lips, you couldn't wait to seal this little game with a passionate French kiss. Number 6. Leg crosses. When a girl crosses her legs next to you, there is no doubt that she is attracted to you. This is something she can't control because she's nervous or wants you to know you have her undivided attention. Next time, pay attention to where her knees are pointing. If it's directed at you, that's a clear sign that she likes you, so go for it. But please note that not every woman's body language is the same. Crossing your legs isn't enough to make a girl think she wants to sleep with you. It's one thing if it's followed by other signs. However, you should still respect her personal space and boundaries. Number 7. Being close to you. A picture of a cute girl wearing a pink shirt. Other body language signs that she likes you include this girl constantly being around you. It's not that she's invading your space, she's letting you into hers. For many girls, especially shy ones, that's a big deal. It is proof that this woman is safe around you. She feels happy whenever she's around you, especially when you're close enough that she can feel your skin on hers. Another reason she does this is to deceive you. If the two of you are with a large group of friends or in a crowded place, she will always gravitate towards you. She wants you to feel her breasts and smell her perfume. She does this on purpose because she knows this turns you on. Number 8. Blushing. Close-up photo of a beautiful woman blushing is the first sign of nervousness. Let's face it, we all blush from time to time. This girl is one of those people. She's not immature and doesn't have much to do with her dating experience. She's just shy. It just means she needs more time to open up about her feelings and let you in. You don't have to make a dirty joke to make her blush. It will be enough to start a conversation or ask her more. Personal issues. Shy girls don't really know how to hide their crushes. Even if they were standing across the room, if you looked at her, she would blush. Of course, there are other reasons why they blush, but if this happens more than once, the reason is you. Number 9. Eyebrow flash. This could be one of the strongest nonverbal cues that a girl is into you. A signature move for all crazy women is a glamorous look over her shoulder, revealing the other side of her neck. Bare skin shows insecurity. She is a delicate flower that needs to be nurtured. If she's wearing glasses, she'll just give you the look. You know the kind of look I'm talking about. Or if there is a drink in front of her, she looks at you as she takes a sip or puts a straw in her mouth. She seduces you with her looks. Number 10. A sneak peek into her mind. She'll be happier if she can hug or kiss you on the spot. So why doesn't she do it? You have to wonder. Well, she has no courage. Or she thinks it's inappropriate. Or she's waiting for you to make the first move. Or maybe she thinks you're pushing her away because you don't see her that way. The possibilities here are endless. At the end of the day, you don't really care why she's doing something. You're only interested in what she's doing. The bottom line is that she will touch you in one way or another. Number 11. Feet pointed at you. When a girl is into you, she'll be as close to you as possible. We already know that. But even more important is the position of her feet. This girl's feet will always point to you. Basically, we each point our feet in the direction we want to go. So when you're standing alone or in a group and this girl's feet are pointed away from you or the rest of the group, she desperately wants to get away. But even that doesn't have to be a sign that she doesn't like you. Don't forget that not every woman's body language is the same. Yes, this shows that she wants out. However, have you ever considered that she is actually uncomfortable talking to you? Not because she's not interested, but because she's just shy and nervous as hell in front of you. Number 12. Sweaty palms. Well, sweaty palms also fall under this criteria. This is another female body language of attraction that she has no control over, similar to blushing. She would be happy if she could. This girl's heart rate goes up every time she's with you. So if you try to hold her hand, or if you still shake hands, you will see that her hands are completely wet. There is nothing disgusting about this. Remember that it is just a perfectly normal reaction of the body. If her hormones gradually go out of whack, she may even develop sweat stains under her armpits. All you can do is try to relax her as much as possible. This kind of reaction will go away in no time, and she will be able to enjoy every moment with you without wondering if you saw her sweat. Number 13. Deep breaths. Here's another good sign this girl is nervous whenever you're around. Deep breathing. You know how they say, "You take my breath away." Well, with you and her, this is more than a phrase. It's literally what you do. She gets so excited when she sees you or talks to you that she forgets how to breathe. That is why she has to take many deep breaths to restore the oxygen level in her system. So if you see your girl doing this, don't comment on anything because you will only make her more anxious. Ignore it and let her get back on track. Number 14. Back arching. Back arching is the movement that occurs when women push their breasts forward and lower back. Basically, they want their main features to stand out even more, so they often exaggerate the natural curve of their body. A woman arches her back to make her breasts more prominent and her body graceful and thus attractive. Why is she doing this? Well, if she starts doing it the moment you walk into the room, she, without a doubt, is trying to get your attention. We all know that physical appearance is the first thing that attracts any man, including you. But arching the back can be tricky, so be careful. It is a tool for remote seduction.